Here's a step-by-step guide to installing Windows 10 using a USB flash drive. What you'll need: a USB flash drive. Minimum 8 GB, preferably 16 GB, yaon. Another computer with internet access, a valid Windows 10 product key or digital license. Step 1. Download Windows 10 installation media. Go to the official Microsoft website, https://www.microsoft.com. Software download, Windows 10. Click Download Now under Create Windows 10 Installation Media. Run the Media Creation tool. Step 2. Create a bootable USB drive. Launch the Media Creation tool. Select Create Installation Media, USB flash drive, DVD, or ISO file for another PC. Then click Next. Choose your preferred language edition, usually Windows 10. Architecture: 64-bit or 32-bit. Most modern PCs use 64-bit. Select USB flash drive, insert the drive, and continue. The tool will download Windows 10 and create the bootable drive. This might take a while. Step 3. Boot from USB on the target PC. Insert the USB into the PC where you want to install Windows 10. Restart the PC and enter the boot menu. Common keys: F12, F2, Dell, ESC. Varies by manufacturer. Select the USB drive as the boot device. Step 4. Install Windows 10. The Windows setup screen will appear. Select Language Time and Currency Format Keyboard Layout. Click Install Now. Enter your product key or click I don't have a product key to activate later. Choose the version of Windows if prompted. Accept the license terms. Select Custom. Install Windows Only. Advanced. Choose the partition where you want to install Windows, or delete existing partitions and create a new one. This will erase all data on the drive. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. Step 5. Set up Windows. Once installation is complete, the PC will reboot. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your user account, region, privacy settings, etc.